So I'm using the pest repellent all over, spraying vigorously. Don't be afraid to spray, because these pests are not afraid to play. Hello everyone, I'm Marva, and thank you for visiting the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make and use a very easy pest repellent. Very easy to make. So I'm going to show you how I make it and how I use it. So come with me to the kitchen. Here are the main tools and ingredients that I'll be using to make this repellent. It's a rice water repellent. This is the easiest way to make pest repellent that I have found so far. And because it is effective, I've used it over and over. So I'm just going to show you the easy way of making this pest repellent. You know, when you're cooking your rice, you often wash it. So I'm going to wash this rice. And this rice, I just went and bought a cheap pack of white rice. You know, I don't buy white rice, but for this purpose, I got the cheapest pack. And I'm just going to wash it and use that water. Instead of throwing it away, use the water for the pest repellent. You can also cook the rice in a lot of water and use that water for the pest repellent. Or let it sit for a day or two and use that water. But I find this to be the easiest way. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper that I need to spray, because those pests, they're no joke. So now I'm going to pour that. First I need to strain it because I don't want the rice grains there. So I'm going to strain it first. Now I'm going to pour it through the funnel into the bottle. That's almost full. And this should take care of the bottle, the first bottle. I'm just showing you how I make one. And here goes the pest repellent. So come with me to the garden to show you how I use it. So this is the Scotch bonnet plant. As you can see, the worms and the white have decided to take up habitat here. We also have a tomato plant right here. That's looking good, but here's another pepper, a different type of pepper, and look at that. So this is what I'm going to be spraying vigorously. There's another one in the corner there. So stay with me. You have to spray the top and the bottom of the plants because most pests live under the bottom. So I'll do the top and then I'll go to the bottom. See that? Look at them. You see how they're flying around? See? Yeah. You know, you have to spray the other plants that's next to them. See? If I used other type of pesticide, I would have to have my gloves on. I would have to have on a mask. But this is totally safe. Only thing you do is once you finish, because you know they're going to be pests maybe on your hands, you need to wash your hands before you go back inside. This one I'm going to just throw away and get rid of it. Put it in the compost bin. See how they're vigorously sprayed. And the thing about this pesticide, not only does it take care of the pest, but it yields more of your vegetables. Yeah, so that's it. And tomorrow, I'll probably come out again tomorrow and do some more spraying. In the near future, I'll come back out here and show you what the plants look like. I'm also spraying the okra plants. This is our volunteer pumpkin patch. This decided to take space right here, and I hope we'll have some pumpkins. So I'm going to be spraying the plant with the rice water, my insect repellent. Now remember, when you're spraying your plant, you should also do underneath the plant, because that's where the insects reside. I found a better heavy duty bottle right here. Much better, works faster. So I'm going to the other end. I'm going to do the top first and then the bottom. So I'm using the pest repellent all over, spraying vigorously. Don't be afraid to spray, because these pests are not afraid to play. So I'm going to finish off the rest of this. So I thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope you have learned something new today, and that you will at least try this easy to make and use pest repellent. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time right here at the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.